Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be looking at how you can add motion to your photography, whether it's new or existing. It's really simple to do, and all you need is an app on your phone, and it will allow you to add some motion effects just to give it a bit more interest. So when someone's looking at your portfolio on Instagram, they'll probably think, that's actually something that looks quite cool and I'd like to do as well. So you can show them, give it a go, share with your friends, and it would definitely increase your portfolio's recognition for something that's being a bit different. So if you follow along, we need to go to the App Store to start off with. And then what you want to do is search for Motionleap. Okay, let's load up the app, and what you'll think at first is you probably think there's a payment or something that you need to do. These will pop up on the screen at some point, but you don't need to worry about this because you can just close it down. It's only for like pro features, as most apps do. So you've got like a demonstration that comes up of what the app's able to do, and you can clearly see that there's motion animation effects that make something look just a bit more interesting. I just like it. I think it's a really nice feature to add to photos. So let's go across and click dive right in. The first thing you want to do is set up your account. So whether you've got Google, Facebook or Apple ID, just use one of those and continue through the process. So you loaded up the app now, and that payment has popped up saying you need to pay for a subscription. That is not the case. All you need to do is go to the top left hand corner and close down that tab, and it will allow you to go into the free features. Obviously, if you want to upgrade later to pro and you decide this is a really good app for you, that's entirely up to you, and I'm sure that it will be very beneficial to the work that you do. So you've got a demonstration now of one of the photos and what they're able to do. This may not be the same when you watch this video. At the moment, I've got a guy who's watching the waterfall, and they've added motion to the waterfall, and you can see that it's moving, and it actually looks quite realistic. I think it's quite a nice touch to the photo, and they've even added some motion in the skies as well, just to add a very subtle bit of motion there as well. But it's really cool, and I just think it's a nice aspect, and it would definitely look cool in the portfolio. In order to get going with your photo, all you need to do is go to the top bar and click on the second one along, which is the image icon. And then once you've done that, you need to go to new project and find the photo that you're choosing. So for this example, I'm gonna pick the car shot that I did the other day, which was Back to the Future's DeLorean car, and it was my concept on that. So go into your phone and click the image that you want. So to add the motion to your images, all you need to do is go to the first tool at the bottom, which is select. And this is highlighting the area where you want the animation to actually happen. So you can zoom in, or you can just paint as you go and see how you feel, but I'm just going to zoom in to just start filling it out. If you feel like you want to add more room to it, you can increase the brush size, and I'm just going to go through very quickly. Remember, if you make any mistakes, you can obviously erase what you've done and just go over the area that you want fully to animate. So I think that's looking pretty good. I'm just going to cover a few more areas and just get it in full. Yep, that's looking good there. And once you've done that, this is the second step. You need to go to the next button along, which is direction. Drag along from right to left, left to right, wherever the motion might be happening. So just like that waterfall example, obviously you don't want the motion going from left to right, the waterfall is going to be going down. So with this example that I've got here, I've got lights that are going in a particular direction from left to right, from the center of where the portal sort of effect is all the way to the outside. And this should obviously give me the effect that the portal is in motion and moving. So I'm just going to start demonstrating as an example what happens when I do this. So I'm going to go and follow lines, just a few, going from right to left all the way around, and highlighting the main points but giving them enough gap. And hopefully when I press play now, you can see that there's some motion actually happening, and it actually covers quite a bit of area. So you can go through and tweak this how you want, and I think this looks sick. Like, I actually think this looks really cool how it turns out, but it's totally up to you in terms of what you want to do and how you want to edit it. So then you want to go and export this clip, and to do that you just go to the export button. Then you'll find that you can either export it and upload it straight to Instagram. You can change the dimensions if you want, depending on what platform you're using. You can say how long you want the animation to last as well, so I'm just going to say 6 seconds. And the only one that you can pick is 1080p HD. Obviously you can upgrade higher if you pay for the Pro, but I think, you know, HD quality is great and that's all you really need, because if you upload it to Instagram it's going to be compressed anyway. So yeah, just go with that and then see what you think. So I'm going to export that, and then it should just take a couple of seconds, and then you can see it's saved to my photos. And now I'm just going to go across and check in my photos, and it's now there and it's even playing back to me, and I just think it looks really cool. I don't know, let me know in the comments what you guys think of this. It's a really quick and easy thing to do with Motionleap, and if you've got your photos already that exist, try and upload them again but in a different way and see what people think. You know, you could even put it on your Instagram stories or any other social platform and get people to vote on which they prefer, just something that's static or something that's with motion. That's been it guys, thank you for watching the video, I hope you enjoyed it. There's going to be more in the future like this, tips and tricks on your phone, and obviously photography stuff as well on the way. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I love to hear your feedback, so comment down below what you think of this stuff, and I love to see your animations as well, so tag me in them on Instagram if you follow me, and I just want to see what you guys get up to. I hope you enjoyed the video, see you in the next one.